Hello everybody. Now we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander Sadiku's 5th edition. The question number is 6.7. Capacitor value is given as 25 millifarad and V of 0 is equal to 10 ohms and I of t is given as 5t milliamps. It is 5t milliamps. And we are asked to calculate the voltage across the capacitor for t is greater than 0. So what is the formula? V of t is equal to 1 by c integral t0 to t I of tau d tau plus V of 0. Just to substitute all the values that are available here. So this is equal to 1 by c. C is 25 millifarad. So it is 25 into 10 power minus 3 integral t naught is 0, t you take it as such, and I of tau d tau it is 5 tau into 10 power minus 3 as it is milliamps to d tau plus V of 0 is 10 ohms. So this is equal to, you can take the constants outside, so it is 5 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 25 into 10 power minus 3. So you can cancel out these things. So you get 5 here. Okay. So within integration you have this is 0 to t limits tau into d tau plus 10. So this is equal to 1 by 5. When you perform integration over this tau, it becomes tau square by 2 with the limits 0 to t plus 10. So simply substitute that t, okay, and 0 lower limit and upper limit, it becomes t square by 2 minus 0, okay, plus this 10. So you will be getting this as 1 by 10 t square plus 10. So that can be written as 0.1 t square plus 10. So what's the answer? The answer is V of t is equal to 0.1 t square plus 10. So this is the answer. Okay, thank you.